Wondershare Filmora for noobs.
This is the newest Filmora 15 that has just been released, and I'm here to show you how exciting it is. Before you get angry at me, just know that if features that you were expecting in this Filmora 15, if you don't find them by the end of this video, just comment those features so that Filmora will add them in the earliest versions of Filmora 15. Now, the very first feature right here on my list is the multi-timeline editing. So I can say this is an extension or just an update of the common clip feature. Now, if you create a common clip in this Filmora 15, it's going to show up right below your toolbar here, and then you can smoothly switch the common clips and timelines in a much more flowing way than it was in Filmora 14. And to my own opinion, this is very, very useful, and I really appreciate this ability that Filmora 15 has. You can also import another project in this current project. I know that you have never seen that. Now, right here on the import drop-down menu here, you can see this option, which is the sub-project folder. You can import an actual project that you can edit simultaneously or at the same time within this current project. And that's kind of merging two projects, making them one. How cool is that? And you can just switch from one project to the other just like that. The following tool right here, of course, is one of the most requested tools by Filmora users. When you go to this drawing tools option here, you are going to find the pen tool right on the top. When you select it on your preview screen, now you can draw anything you want, the way you want it, and the direction you want. And this, I believe, is going to be very, very useful when it comes to motion graphics editing and things like that. Now, on the right side of the preview screen, you can see a lot of parameters right here, from the transform and so forth. That simply means you can transform your drawing. And on the stroke, there are effects where you can choose from the presets or even adjust it, customize it the way you want. Now, I think the presets are cool, actually. If you can choose any one of those, you then have to adjust or customize those presets again the way you want. Moving down here, there is a trim path, which is a very, very cool option which allows you to animate your drawing. And the path follow allows you to add something. Maybe an element, or maybe just a vector or a transparent picture, or something that is going to move on the trail of the path that you've just drawn on the screen. Moving on right now, we have the timeline and source preview feature. Alright, so this simply means that if you select on the source, anything that has been selected in the media bin is going to be showing up on the preview. Things are going to be previewing. At the same time, that's cool, right? I think so. Now, moving on right now, we have one of the most useful feature, which is called the AI Extend. You can use the AI Extend to extend your video if it's falling short of the duration that you want, right? Like this case right here. And then, right here on the space, you can actually add a prompt, what you want to see in the extended part of your video. And then just like that, go generate. The next one right here is one of the most useful to anyone who create the content that is to do with charts or biographies. You know, analytics and data stuff, so forth, right? This is the animated charts. Under the effects tab, you can see this option right here under the subfolder exclusive V50, and a new window is going to pop up. And here, as you can see, these are like a whole bunch of places for things like biographies or data analytics. All right? On the right side of the preview screen, you can change the look, the bars and the colors to customize them to fit your own brand through all these options that you're seeing right here. And on the data here, you can put your own values to customize your own story or data report. And once you have customized it the way you want, you can just add it to the timeline and it comes here as a video clip, which means you can animate it, transform it the way you want. And now, my dear friend, you can feel free to comment on this video which features you were expecting to see, but you just didn't find them. But actually, these are all features we have in Filmora 15 just for now. Thank you so much, Filmora team, for the hard work and determination. Until I meet you guys in the next episode, peace.